Hello everyone. Welcome to an introduction to HTML. If you're taking this course, it's safe to assume that you're interested in learning how to either create or maintain websites or web applications. Whether you're looking to develop skills that will help you enter the design industry, or you just want to be able to update your company's website, HTML is the place to begin. HTML is the language that web pages are written in. This means anytime we do anything within the context of a web browser, someone wrote HTML code to power that experience. Even beyond the context of a traditional standalone web browser, we find that many device-native apps include a web browser rendering engine directly embedded in them to display certain content or interfaces. This means that HTML is incredibly ubiquitous. It's everywhere. And this is the reason that myself and many other developers recommend HTML as the first language to learn for anyone who wants to become involved in the design or user experience industries. By learning HTML, you are opening so many doors for yourself. Once you discover that HTML isn't rocket science, that will give you the confidence to keep learning. You'll be hungry to learn things like CSS and JavaScript. And after that, you can choose an area to specialize in that really interests you. Now, we will not be learning Ruby on Rails or PHP in this particular course. What we will be doing is chopping the course in half. The first half of the course, we will become experts at writing HTML code. And in the second half of the course, we will become experts writing CSS code. These are the two essential languages of the web. And by the end of this course, you will have a professional knowledge of both. Which means at that point, you will be able to steer your career in any direction that interests you. So let's kick off the first half of the course. Let's learn about Hypertext Markup Language, or HTML. I'm so excited to have you along for the ride. Let's get started.